Creating a Google API key in the past, oh my God, it felt just like this. Yeah, that dude's me in the middle. It was so frustrating, so unnecessarily difficult. Well, all that has changed. Yep, I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I am gonna put all my radio peeps on the fast track so you can start jumping in using these cool Gemini voices for your radio content, but you need the unlocks.
We are on the air.
So we are in the thick of things over at Google AI Studio. I'm actually going to take Google's bait and bite on their Get API Key button. I mean, like I've said, they have not made this easy in the past, and I have some doubts, but it's right here on the front page of Google AI Studio. After logging in with a Google account or your Gmail address, now you're on this page. So I'm going to create a brand new key. Let's call this Gemini Voices. Now, I don't have any projects. So I want to create a project. Radio production. Perfecto. We're creating it. Does it actually work? That's the thing. So boom, we have a new key. We have our project. But this is key. Even though we're on a free tier, we have to set up a billing account. And I think we're being nudged closer over to Google Cloud. Okay, that looks like me. I'm going to agree and continue. So we want to enter our contact profile. I'm an individual. Okay, you fill out your contact info. You add a payment method. I'm teetering on the edge of my futon with anticipation. If this works, this is going to be a game changer. Because like I said, this was so unnecessarily complicated in the past. Okay, we enter our credit card info and the big moment of truth. Now, before we jet back to the AI studio and have some fun with the AI voices, let's read some of this fine print. Don't worry, the trial is still free. Okay, you won't be charged unless you manually activate a full pay-as-you-go account or choose to prepay. So over here, you get $300 in free credits. I think that's if you choose a pay-as-you-go plan. But anyway, we're going to start this account up, see if we actually get an API key that's usable. And I'm even going to test this over in RoboDJ and Phoner Factory, which in the past always required API keys that you generate through Google's Cloud Console. As I feared, it did throw me into Google Cloud Console. Now I'm in the billing section. And, you know, it is, I think, a smart idea to set a budget alert, like if you even want to, be emailed when you hit $10, just so you can manage your expenses. Apparently, I do get $300 in free trial credits. You'll get the same thing. You have about 3 months to use those. And I think it just wants me to click activate. I don't know. Like I said, they don't make this user-friendly at all. And shame on Google for not making this more, consumer-friendly, especially with everyone drawing an AI right now. They really need to get their act together. Okay, so we click accept, and now we're stuck. Most people, would be stuck in the mud here. Let's go back over to this other tab, back in Google AI Studio. I'm going to refresh this page. Let's see if it actually... Okay, boom, by clicking activate, now I'm on tier 1. Yes, let's cut to the confetti guy. And it's well deserved. If you made it this far, you were so much closer. And honestly, yeah, we kind of, got stuck in some Google Cloud quicksand by having to, jet over to console and, monkey with the billing. But we survived that. And you see what I did? I had that other tab open. And I think that might be smart because otherwise, for many, you just wouldn't know where to go from here. So the second tab, I think, saved us. Now, where's your key? Enough of this nonsense. You want to get busy. You want to start having fun in Google's AI sandbox. And your key could be accessed by clicking right here. Okay, here it is. And now, head back to Google AI Studio. And we want to transform text into audio. You're going to click on no API key. So you really don't even have to click copy your key in the API key menu. No, you just choose the API key that is on your account. We just created this. I'm going to select that key. Boom.
Amazing! This actually worked! Google doesn't suck as hard as I used to think. Woohoo!
Okay, we are in business. And now we should be able to create a bunch of cool AI voices. But keep in mind, at the level we're at, tier 1, it's not just an unlimited AI voice palooza. No, there are limits. If you're using Gemini's Pro model, which gives you the highest quality, you get 10 requests per minute, 50 daily. For the Flash model, it's 10 per minute, 100 daily. But on the free tier, you're really hamstrung. Only 3 requests per minute and a total of 10 daily. This is by far the quickest way to create a Google API key for creating voices. I'm not sure if this will work over in Nano Banana Land, but we could give that a try. And it looks like over in Nano Banana Pro, which is one of the more powerful AI image generators out there, it can also use the very same key that we just created, which is great because, like I said, in the old days, creating it over in Google Cloud Console, I had to specify every service that I wanted to add to the key. This streamlines the entire process. I am really impressed. Now, to see if this API key is truly universal, meaning we could use it in other things outside of Google AI Studio, like maybe in one of my apps, like my automated AI DJ software, RoboDJ, or my very fun Phoner Factory, which, allows you to create cool AI listener calls for your radio show. I just pasted that new API key that we created in Phoner Factory's backend. I have a fun Gemini style prompt ready to rock. Now let's go create one of these fun AI phone calls. Let's crank out a quick zinger. It's just a short, witty jab at the boring DJ. Generate a script. Okay, let's give that one a try. We want a nice aggressive phone sounding effect. Now, of course, Phoner Factory works with both 11 Labs and Gemini, but we're here to test Gemini. So let's go find a fun voice. Sweet Solofat usually delivers such a stirring performance. So let's send this off, and the big test is, will that API key work with other programs? Oh, I think it did.
I'd request a song, but I'm worried it might wake you up from your nap. Yeah, ever hear of a personality?
Perfect. We'll take it. Save it to library. Boom, just like that. It's been proven. Google has helped, roll out more of an easy button approach for generating keys. And I know I am super thankful. Hopefully this gives you the courage to tackle creating your own Gemini key. It's so easy. Just follow the steps and you will be that much closer to rocking and rolling and creating really custom, cool AI content. And by all means, if you have not taken Phoner Factory for a test drive, I invite you to do so. The link and sure, a discount code. I'll roll it out again. All of it is right down there in the description. Now you're an API creating wizard. So go cram some keys into your pocket and have fun with this. Okay, I'm Jeff, the radio DJ dude. If you got anything out of this little ditty, well, I'd love something from you. Just a simple like and subscribe. Thank you so much. And until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world. Even though this really had nothing to do with radio, but it does unlock tools that help you create better radio. There we go. Let's go with that.